No matter how old you are, right? If you don't have hope and you don't believe deep down inside that you could be successful and you could win and you could become a millionaire, you're not. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bam Lit the Ghetto Man. I come to feel or realize, not now, but as I've been trending up, I come to feel or realize that when you do rich people things, you become rich people. You do poor people things, you're gonna be poor. Period. You get a lawsuit, you spend up all your lawsuit money doing poor people things, you're gonna be poor eventually. That's just that. You do rich people things, you learn what the rich is doing, you're gonna have a good time. My thing is, no matter how old you are, right? If you don't have hope and you don't believe deep down inside that you could be successful and you could win and you could become a millionaire, you're not. You're not. Because you let a whole bunch of theory. You can't win in life. It's set up. It's a setup. It's a system. It's set up this way for us to be like this. So when I come and I give you the hope, yo, you really could do it. I'm the bad guy. I'm the bad guy. You really could do it. Hey, it's in your favor. It's in your favor to do. You just really have to believe and really shoot high into the sky, not right here at the ceiling. Don't just bump your head on the ceiling. Shoot high. You don't have no hope. You don't believe deep down inside. Where you plan on going? If you'll have somebody like me tell you, you responsible for your life. You responsible for you not winning. And the person look at me like, what? Is they fault? You will never become successful. That's just that. You don't believe, you have no hope for yourself. No, you don't have to inherit no money. No, you don't have to hit no lotto. Because you hit the lotto, that's just like a lawsuit. You go broke from that. You don't study nothing. You don't know how to manage money. You can't manage $1 million. You can't manage $1 million if you can't manage 100,000. Don't make sense. You're gonna come down. You do rich people things, you're gonna be rich. You do poor people things, you're gonna be poor. That's just that. I know where I'm going. You gotta know where you're going. You have to have goals. You have to have a destination. You are supposed to control the things that you can control. Period. I know that I could go down the block and somebody run into me, God forbid, with their car, and I get into an accident. I can't control that. You understand what I'm saying? There's certain things you can't control, but you damn sure could control what happens after. Yeah, that could set you back, but just stay back. Try to figure it out. Like, just put this in your brain and sum up what I'm saying to you. Stop doing poor people things. Poor people things is just gonna keep you poor. Rich people things is gonna make you rich. You will become wealthy. That's just that. It's simple. That's what I'm trying. Like I say, common sense is a superpower because it's very simple. Stats: 79% of millionaires inherited $0. 5% inherited less than 100,000. 5% less than 200,000, which means 90% of millionaires did it on their own from the mud. You have no excuse. cut it out. It's very simple. Ghetto. Like, comment, subscribe.